Hey, if you cannot activate Hey Google on your Realme 12 5G, let me show you how you can fix this. So first you will have to actually open the Play Store, the Google Play Store, click on the search and you have to input the Google phrase. Then you will have to pick this application from the Google and click on the update button. Next, you will have to wait for this downloading and installation process. Of course, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. So now just wait for it. It will actually take around a few moments. We can just go back from this one and check if it works. Okay, as you can see, it actually takes a lot of time. It's actually stuck on the 100% for some reason. But after we just go back a few times, it actually go forward. And we can also search for the Google Assistant application. It's right here. We have to also update it. So click here on this update button. Now, as you can see, the Google actually is still installing. So we can try to take a look on the Google Assistant. It's also installing. You can tell me in the comments if you actually have the same issue with this installing process. But I can actually try to turn off this Play Store and open it one more time. So maybe it will actually fix this issue. Let's search for the Google one more time. Okay, and it looks like right now we got the latest version of the Google app and the Google Assistant. Okay, the Google Assistant for some reason doesn't update, so we have to actually do this one more time. But we can go back into this Google application. Okay, as you can see here, I've got this information that can't install Google Assistant. But for some reason, we've got actually the new version, so that's weird. Some issues right here on the Realme 12 5G, but now finally we can open this Google application with the latest version. Click on the right upper corner and open the settings. Then go to the Google Assistant and move into the Hey Google and the voice match. And as you can see now, we can simply turn it on by clicking on this switcher. So that's how it looks. Now we can just input your voice here. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.